Keblai pi barok kani kedai kedudashan Meghalaya ban ipidang subhai pi barok sehingga tup kubur mantaga janmiat syaban paish kubur ki bebenyak ini pecwai kimat bekongsan. Ya kendu Menteri Rang Badu Keri Narendra Modi ya kekenhun ya lek kai keri ki bala job hak lempung T20 World Cup. Pelaj pajba kaniti ayuk ya ka Sumparnata Abhiyan. Mang aspak kendai poklur tingka ke Ministry of Road and Transport and Highways nak kebentar ban maramot bat penbahai ke Surok ba National Highway 6. Kutno ke Jingelang Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference mentag sengi. Bat penbenau Menteri Rang Ba Konrad Sangma ya ka jingmang ka ba apun riu kelur tingka ban pendep ya ka jingte ya ka Yaumus Yang Market Complex. Ikuba rubnya. Menteri Rang Ba Adu Keri Narendra Modi ulai kendu ika kendhun ya lek kai cricket keri ki bala job ha ka lempung T20 World Cup ha ka yingsa jong nong ba Delhi. Kapten ke kendhun India Rohit Sharma coach Rahul Dravid lembat ki para nong elek kai berkentup yo Virat Kohli badu Hardik Pandya kile don lang hakani kesengi. Modi habai kren bat kinong elek kai kile sam elaki jong ki jinge syam. La pedang burom ya kekenhun elek kai hanong ba Delhi next step. Kaniti ayuk kala pelaj pajba ya ka Sampurnata Abhiyan ke badai ke jingela pajba ke balai benai lenter ke bala sedang naduk mentaga sengi bat kan kut haduk ke lai pauterik unai lur. Ban la ban pentrei kenang ban la ban kenjo ya ketong ban penya rekin riu teli ki jing kedau haki shispa khat arteli ki district bat sanspa teli ki blok hakeleng keri hapo ke aspirational district program bat ke aspirational blocks program. Meghalaya kene ke jingelab on supply pajba hari boy district bat haki blok ki bedon West Giant Hills bat North Garo Hills district. Menteri Ketenat Road, Transport and Highways Nitin Gadkari nen kesengi ulakot sya ka jingelang MP ke Shillong uba Riki AJ Singkon bat ula pentip ya ba ketenat jong ke lambang aspa kendai poklur tingka na ke benta ban maramot kerkie bat penbahaya ke Surok ba National Highway 6 hakaba ka Surok kelajot rotai mental Islam lambang sak kendai poklur tingka ban maramot ya ki jaka batua kendau kamtam ha Sonapur bat ba onla ban sedang ya kam mariakut ke ayom liur. Ka jingelang jongki Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference kelakut no mentag sengi da ka jingesoy ka Joint Record of Discussion lane JRD document. Lai alam ya ka kenhun bakat lai da IG ke BSF Tripura Frontier Patil Piyush Purushottam Das. Kat bai ke kenhun bakat lai jong ka BGB lai alam da Muhammad Shazadur Rahman. Badai BGBM Additional Director General Region Commander Chatogram hakane ke jingelang lai tai shibun kimat ki bakta ya baro artli kiri ka ban lam sya ka jinge sngotu jingmut bat ka jinge trailang hapadeng kini kitanat shipai ki bayada ya ki kaput kanang ban la ban itu ya ki jaka ki badon kam ban kmi bnya hakabe dei bat ka jing shalantu hagi tain kaput India Bangladesh.
Virtual cooperation. Also, various issues regarding bilateral interests, which will pave the way toward enhancing the understanding and cooperation between both the border guarding forces, were discussed at length. Further, special emphasis was given to focus issues, particularly insurgent activities, various transborder crimes, including smuggling of contraband items, psychotropic drugs and narcotic substances, border violations, and pending infrastructural and developmental works, besides common coordinated border management plan.
Menteri Rang Ba ke jela Konrad ki sangmah nen kesengi lo penbena ya ka jingmang ka ba apun riu kelur tingka ban pendep ya ka jingtei ya ka Yaumus Yang Market Complex sejuai ka baki briu ki la angnut mental Islam. Ha ka jingkren jong Konrad ula penpau ya ka jing sngongo ya ka Sinrat Jowai ka bala ai sngobai ka jaka bante ka jaka penyeng kali hajawai Konrad ula pediang ya ka jing ka bala khanglat ban pendep ya ka jingtei ya ka ni ka project ha ni ka snem bala leng Hendai ulah kular ya ki pajba baka sokar kan tray shitom ban job ya kini ki jing e.
The Yamusia market complex issue was a very, very complicated issue. We faced many hurdles from the past many years. The sanctions were made by central government, but because of certain changes and sometimes the contractor also not being able to complete the work, somewhere fund issue being happening, this project saw multiple challenges. But I'm happy to inform that we have decided as a government to absorb all of those challenges and once and for all sanction an amount of 26 crores to complete this project. This will be funded completely by the state. This is a very, very important project for the people of Juwai and Jainti Hills in general.
Chairperson Jongko Committee hello kajengpun kop bori ki kentai ikong Santa Mary Shela Dangshen ila penya ye kajingelang kabalalong hatura. Ikong Santa ila pensyai bakane kajingelang letai halo shibun kimat ki bakta yakini ki artli ki district da kajing pai khamat khamtam sha kajing sha thombor ki kentai bat khna. Agajing let jingo jongki ka committee ka le kendu ya ka lanot akaba ka wei ka kentai kala sha bom pat ba halowa tax gradrie.
We had a meeting with the district of West Karo Hills and South West Karo Hills, and both the DCs and one of the SPs were here. We have a lot of information relating to women issues and the cases that are the issues that is in the district. So we have heard them and we are ready to take it up with the government. And I'm happy they have given a very good representation and well known to all kinds of information that we got, and also we look forward that the government will also take up matters and help the district, both this district.
Kishipai BSF kilakular bagajing shalantu ekashini berupiat sya Bangladesh kan saduna. Nabakren bakila patai kubor ne kesngi u Inspector General IG jong ke BSF Meghalaya Frontier u Harbak Singh Dhillon Ulaong bakadon kajing duna jong kinong train namar ki daw bom lakyar bat menta ya kini kajing lala ban penben. Ula pentip ru ba kila dep banyatai halo kini ke benta lembat u menteri rangba u sembut menteri rangba ke jela u menteri ketnat ke kampo ieng u chief secretary bat ke DGP ringkat bat ke border guards of Bangladesh lede BGB.
And given the conditions due to which there was some depletion of the manpower due to the general elections, it's been made up, and the sugar smuggling is bound to come down. It has already come down, but it's going to come down more. And this concern of the press which you are showing is good. Like we have already discussed with the Chief Minister, Deputy Chief Minister and Home Minister. So with all these Chief Secretary, DG Police, we have discussed these issues in length. So some resolutions have been passed, some steps have been taken already.
Katanat Central Goods and Services Tax lani CGST kalarake ke link host number nyo jong ke GST dag berpelong ke outreach program halo ke phang sashak vyapar samgra vikas ha District Central Library Nongpo. Aba ajingkran u Commissioner ke CGST Shillong Commissionerate u H Soi Khan Thang u lapan syai halo ke rukom treikam ke GST ha ke ban kershan ya ke kam khayi ha ke jela. Ula pediang ru ya ke jingno senyang jong ke nongpo bat bernihat sya ke jinglum khajna jong ka Shillong Commissionerate.
Nongpo Orange, we have 613 taxpayers registered with us. In Bernihat Range, that is 1, Bernihat 2, Bernihat 3, we have 209 registered taxpayers as of now. As far as revenue is concerned, in the last year, Nongpo has received 36 crores. Bernihat 1, 2, 3 has received revenue of 57 crores. It consists of 32.5% of the entire revenue received by Division 1.
Haba penpau ya kajing snokya halo kajing sniu ke surok ki nong shong shnong jongka umling sarang gila penbaha dalade ke surok nin gesngi ban pensuk ya kelet kawan kani ke surok ka baladon mentala South Post nem ke jengai kumba kandai spa mitar ka bapenyesno ya ke surok ba National Highway ke ban Riau hari bhoi shadu umling sarang lemba ka office jongka CNR di blok umling Namarka jingjan jong kani ke surok sya ke surok ba ki nong shong shnong kila kentu ya ke soka ban shimkhia ya ke jinglong jingman jong kani ke surok bat ban penshna ya ke surok ke babha bat ke ban ne Islam.
Kontak wan di kandidat yang pidani sidun kam hatang ni surok bat tek kira tek ni kong ni surok de belum tuhi ini Maria jot Maria tu election ngan pentrain ni surok one way unta one arrow unta hadu kan gini gitu ini iya tahu surok unta ni ndrai da ba nyami ni da gesnong nyele da gesnong salong surok malu mala na ga daw usurok nimla ban le nimla ban pentelun balai gesnong jengi kasa duk hadu kane hadu unta gitu kat uwe gesnong kila nang tirat gesnong kajrong kat boy gesnong jengi nang hiar ka gitu dai na kasa ga daw ngam dan buntin abi de kane kita ginong nikmat jungi til sutu ni bat kini ini ya kane bal pau teng kaba ni la trace from da kesna
Ka dorbar ki basan khatwei right South Sing Sau Lama Sarikrai Himakriem Ribhoi District lambat UMDC Kamahwati Uba Charles Marngar kali kendu ya UCM ke Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyak sing siem hakaba kila kentu yu banyarap yaki hagaban penek pensa ega culture haki than jongki aba kren kila aptai khubor hadien ke jingalang uba Herones Marshring ubadai usketri jonga dorbar ulaong ba ula pentip sya UCM hakanu kerukom bagasnong bat keriti dustur jongki kelala ban penek pensa yaki lau adong kum kelau kentang kemau ba mau niam bat kiriti dustur kibalajan duk jat hakisnong jongki
Sri Priya Sinsim bat di MDC dan Guram juga Mawati Konstitusi bat Charles Mangar ba kumki khatat ligi right Iwan ban pensngau Shaki nak benta kumno ban penim biang sasisin nane kumno ban penne biang ya kiriti ki dustur ki bala jandu jandam habede bat ki sansar ka khadar habede bat kiriti ki dustur habede bat ki lau kentang habede bat ki mau ba mau niam nadong sidong kirti ki dustur culture jungi ki bala jandu jandam hakane ka juk bang ta
Kani kelong ke jing pentip ya ki pat ba bagasroka jela kala penbenai ki number ki bekerpang habawan kinu ki jingjia na ke benta ban yo ya ki la jingeram na ke benta kinu ki jingjia phila ban phone hakini ki number iwe r lane iwe not nyo not mentang ni pet ya ke jinglong juman ke sumineng hashlong ka jing shit kelong apusau point iwe degree celsius bat ka jing kriat kelong khat pra point r degree celsius Kajing sengam gau hau kalong kendai pesan nak shispa menster banyak peran nak shispa janmit. Kala bandon kajing half slab ba kajing tiat upper tat hagi bebon ki jaka. Shawan poi ke bekut jong tup kubon ni pek biang sa asian ya kini kimat bekongsan. Ya kendu umin tuirang ba du keri Narendra Modi ya ke kenhun ya lekai keri ki bala job hak lempung T20 World Cup. Pelaj pajba kaniti ayuk ya ka Sumpurnata Abhiyan. Mang aspa kandai poklur tingka ke Ministry of Road Transport and Highways na kebentaban maramat bat penbahai ke Surok ba National Highway in Riau. Kutno Kajingalang Inspectors General BSF Region Commanders BGB Level Border Coordination Conference Mentagasngi. Pemenang menturang ba Konrad Sangmai Kajingbang ka ba apun riu klur tingka ban pendep ya Kajingte ya ka Yamusyang Market Complex. Keparlok katungila poi sebekut jong tup kubor jing mentaga janmiat hadu menacem pilasai kesengi hagajuk kubo kubesibu ni pibaro.